Hello, in front of me I've got GARMIN DriveSmart navigation. In this video I will show you the navigation preview. Firstly, let's take a look at the front of the navigation. Right here we've got this huge screen, which we can operate by touch. Now let's take a look at the top of the navigation. Right here we've got the button, thanks to which we can activate Alexa. On the bottom we don't have any buttons, but on the back, right here we've got the power button, USB-C charging port, serial number, name of the navigation, spot to install holder, and speaker. Let's check sides of the navigation. And now let's check the navigation itself. On the home page of the navigation, we can use Map, Start Routes, check our travel history, and Manage Map. Next we can go to Music, Apps, where we can check owner's manual, Alexa, OK Garmin, Phone, Traffic, Smart Notifications, Trip History, Route Planner, and Wireless cameras. Next we can manage volume, and in Settings we can complete setup, check for updates, manage map display, navigation, wireless networks, driver assistance, wireless camera, display, traffic, units and time, language and keyboard, and check device information. And that's basically it for the navigation preview. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.